Is game going to be the next massive treasury stock play, which is going to gap up all the way upwards of the $10 levels by the end of this week? Or is this a ticker which has already ran its course and you should be selling? What's up, trending friends? Welcome back to the Nobias non-biased price prediction video. Today, we're discussing game from three different perspectives: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be talking about the catalyst that has caused this ticker to go on a parabolic rally up over a whopping 60% at the time of recording this video. Then, we're going to be talking about the what, which is going to be the stock analysis. Then the where, which is going to be the charts, where to get in, where to get out. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, as always, the first thing which we want to analyze when it comes to trading penny stocks, guys, is going to be none other than the why. Why do we talk about the why first? Because specifically for a ticker which is already seeing a lot of green, right? Whether it's the past day, whether it's the past week, whether it's the past month, we want to analyze whether or not this price volatility is actually just and actually makes sense and can actually be justified, or is it just a volume pump? Because if it's just a volume pump, what's going to happen is that you're going to get a price action like this. Massive pump followed by a massive dump, right? This ticker yesterday was up over 400% based off of what? What was the news? Nothing. There was no news. There was absolutely no news, right? So when you understand when you understand the massive weight that the why actually plays when it comes to the ticker, right? And I'll explain to you why the why is so crucial when it comes to trading, because when it comes to trading, a company can be really bad, and a company can have a really previous, poor previous trading history and just management in general. But let's say the company comes out and cures cancer. Then what? Then what? Then you're gonna tell me, oh no, don't buy this stock, the company's bad. Well, clearly that doesn't matter, right? All of a sudden, the what no longer matters because the why is so strong. Then the chart, okay, let's talk about the chart. So let's say the stock runs from $1 to $5, okay? It's up 400%, right? It's up 400%. The RSI is going through the roof. The RSI is showing the RSI is at freaking 8, right? Meaning that it's extremely expensive, right? But guess what? The company just cured cancer. They just found the cure to the cancer. Like all of them, somehow. You tell me 400% gains? The chart is saying it's overbought, Sam. The chart is, no. This is why we always start with the why, right? And the why is so important. So let's get talking about the why when it comes to game. Now, when it comes to the why, when it comes to game, a very common why these days, all right? They're launching an Ethereum treasury. In fact, guys, we are launching an Ethereum treasury. You heard that right. We are launching an Ethereum treasury, and if you guys want to partake, every single person that hits the thumbs up button, that is going to be $1 million worth of Ethereum that we're actually going to be buying. Yes, you heard that right. Correct. So hit that thumbs up button. Thank you. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up button. Thank you. All right. So let's go ahead and read what's happening over here. Now, if you haven't been living under a rock, every company now has an Ethereum treasury or a Solana treasury or a Bitcoin treasury, some form of treasury. All right. That's what we're seeing over here. And guess what? The best part is, this is my favorite part, is that it works. It works. They come up with the catalyst and the stock goes up. Amazing. Wonderful. This is like easy. Bro, this has got to be the easiest money I've ever made in these markets. I'm not even joking with you guys. I'm literally not even joking with you guys. And you know what's crazy? About a couple of weeks ago, let me take a sip of my iced coffee. About a couple of weeks ago, I came up with a video, right? And I was saying, why would I buy BMNR? I think it was when BMNR was like at $100. I was like, why would I buy BMNR? It was either BMNR or it was a ticker like that. I was like, why would I buy BMNR when I could just buy the next company that says they're gonna launch an Ethereum treasury? Why would I do that? Why would I buy an old ticker when I could just buy the new hot thing on the block that has the exact same catalyst and it's gonna? And guess what? Today in our community, we literally took a trade on it, okay? Let's see if I can find it. Where is it? There we go. So this was this morning. I did a NUWE update and also did a game update, okay? And we bought game under 217. Listen to what I said. Game is the, good old treasury, right? Treasury this, treasury that, treasury. Let me restart it. When it comes to game, it's the, good old treasury, right? Treasury this, treasury that, treasury this, treasury that, right? So for us, we're going to go ahead and pick some shares up under I want to say $2.15. We'll say $2.17. Okay, so set your limit buys for $2.17. It's gonna be worth picking up. It will likely test $2.50 again.
later on today. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and you know, I'm gonna pick some shares up because again, right, the treasury, you guys know how this treasury shit goes, man. They announced it and the stocks go crazy right now. The thing about Game Square is that they're scheduling a conference call to review. So it's a little bit tougher to just say that, oh yeah, they have it. But sub 217, I'll pick it up, and then I would have a sell order for something like maybe 239 ish, something like that, 238 ish, something like that for half of my position. And then the other half, I'll just hold on to it as a maybe semi swing play. And then if it comes down to you know, closer to the $2 levels, somewhere between 190 to 2, I'll go ahead and add to my position as well, right? I'll be fine adding to my position because this is a ticker, which if it falls down to closer to 2, it will go above, it will go back to 225 ish again, okay?
Bang, right? And when you look at the price action on this, since I posted at 7:30, right? Let's go on the 5-minute. So it came down to, that's 4 a.m. There we go. At 9:30, it came down all the way up down to 205. And by frickin' 10, by 11 a.m., it was at 282. And we obviously sold half of our position at 235, 238-ish, 238, 239, I said, and the rest we held, okay? So again, right, when it comes to these tickers, man, you gotta be aware, right? And this is the thing that is so important about being market aware and being actually active in the markets and paying attention to what's going on, right? Paying attention to what's going on. Now, if you guys want to trade alongside us, okay, every single day in the community, right, receive access to my day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, everything like that, we do offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee, okay? And right now, the sale is still on. We still have that big sale going on where the next 10 people that join, they get access to it for a 50% discount. Now, the sale does have limited spots. It's less than 10 people now left. So check it out. The link is in the comment section description. Maybe pause it and read some of this. If you go on the website, my whole win rate percentage and everything like that is as well on there. Like how much money I've made, my whole trading career, everything like that is on there. And yeah, man, you know, God bless. We've been kicking ass. We have over 400 members coming back month after month. There's a reason why people are coming back. The reason is people are making money. Okay, people are making money. We have day trading stocks, swing trading, options trading, and we also have crypto alerts. Now, I don't do the crypto alerts because I'm not a crypto specialist. However, we do have a professional crypto trader in our community, as you guys can see. Going into crypto alerts based on Vic alerts, uses a 16 mantle great calls, right? And these are all more like meme coins and altcoins, right, when it comes to crypto trading. So if you also want some exposure in the crypto markets to get access to those maybe 10x plays, 50x plays, this is the spot, man. This is the spot for you, okay? So give it a shot. Give it a shot. The link is in the comment section in the description. 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. When it comes to game, you know, I see it going and testing this 2080 level again. It did give us a double top over here, which isn't a good look. It's not a good look at all. So personally, for me, I'm staying away now, right, guys? I'm staying away. I already had my position and everything like that. I'm staying away. And you know, we took our profits, and I think that when it comes to these stocks, you got to be aware. You got to be aware. You got to understand what's a day trade and what's a swing trade. And for me, this was a good day trade. That's what it was, okay? Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Happy listening trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.